Okay, so here we have our variable in the exponent, so we do have an exponential equation. Now, technically what we need to do is first undo addition and subtraction, multiplication and division. For this question, that is done. There is no addition and subtraction or multiplication and division that we can undo. So then we're really at this, how do I undo this exponent? Now, if you look at e, remember e is your 2.718 number, that is not going to get a common base with 51. So that means that to undo the exponent here, we are going to take the natural log of both sides. So this is going to look like natural log, and we put a big parenthesis around this, e to the x minus 5 equals natural log of 51. Now, there's two options here. Remember, we're taking the natural log to use our log properties. The first option is actually the harder option. The first option is that you bring the power down as a coefficient. The easier thing, and this will be true for all of the questions in this homework assignment, is that you can use the inverse property. So specifically, the natural log and the e cross out. So another way of thinking about this is that we have the same bases and those same bases will cancel. So when I'm looking at this, natural log e raised to the x minus 5 equals natural log of 51, what I can say is, okay, the natural log has a base of e. This also has a base of e. So those same bases will cancel out. And so the natural log of the e crosses out, and that leaves us with just x minus 5 is equal to natural log of 51. And that is by far the easier way of approaching this, just noticing that the natural log and the e have the same base, so therefore they're going to cancel. Now, another thing to notice is that once you have that exponent eliminated, then you are going to solve for x by adding 5 to both sides. Now, when I add the 5 to both sides, keep in mind that this does not become natural log of 56 because the natural log of 51 is one term and it's unlike the 5 terms. So you cannot combine those together. So this will be natural log of 51 plus 5. Now, when you put this in on your calculator, you will have natural log of 51. You will close those parentheses and then add the 5. And that gives you approximately 8.9318. I think they say round to 4 decimal places. Two other notes here. If they say round it, of course, this is your answer. If they say what is the exact answer, this would be your exact answer. So exact would be the natural log of 51 plus 5. Also notice that this is the same, of course, as writing 5 plus natural log of 51.